How to co-op in Honkai Star Rail. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can co-op in Honkai Star Rail. So just being straightforward, Honkai Star Rail does not feature multiplayers or a co-op mode, but it does have a feature to support system that allow you borrow characters. Honkai Star Rail does not feature multiplayer player to co-op mode. Although you can add friends with the game, you cannot play cooperatively in the game at the current time. However, there is a support team system in Honkai Star Rail similar to other JRPG titles that allow you to borrow a character from your friends or other players to help you complete challenges such as Echo in War, Carvel of Coercion and Segment Shadow. So till date there is no option where you can co-op in the Honkai Star Rail. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.